Hello friends, I am P. Sujatha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Economics, A.D.M. College for Women, Nagapattinam. In this video, we will see the introduction to MS Word. Now, first we will see the concept of features of MS Word, how to start MS Word, and how to entering text in MS Word, how to save, open a document using MS Word, and also explain about the editing and formatting a document. First, what is MS Word? MS Word is a word processing application that helps create documents like reports, letters, and resumes. In this module, we see the basic features of MS Word. First, to type the document through the keyboard and save it disk. The user to correct, delete, and insert characters, words, lines anywhere in the document. To retrieve documents from the disk and when required. MS Word used to move or copy paragraphs from one place to another place in a same document or any other document. In the document, to increase or decrease the left, right, top or bottom margin of document according to the user requirement. Change the text font, style, and display appearance, and search for a particular work or phrase in the document. The MS Word used to search for errors in documents and make correction to them. To print documents in required format on paper. The user to print the document using mail merge. The mail merge is a special feature of word processing package which allows to do a large work in less time. So, to explain the main features of MS Word, they are text formatting. So, how to formatting the text, spell check, to create table and graphics, page layout, and templates. So, in next one by one, I explain the various features of MS Word. First, text formatting. So, what is text formatting? It refers to changing the appearance of text to make it more visually appealing and readable. It allows user to change font type, adjust font size, apply font styles, change text color, highlighting the text, and text alignment. To change the font size, it means the user to select from variety of font. It may be a Times New Roman, whatever it is, and adjust the font size. The size may be increased or decreased. Applying font style to make the text bold, italic, or underline. To apply the different colors to make the text to emphasize the certain sections. Different colors for emphasize and to highlight the text. Text alignment is nothing but to align the text left, right, center or justified. So, it's a very helpful for clean look. So, the text formatting enhance the visual appeal and the readability of the document. So, some limitations also having to formatting the text because over formatting can distract from the content of the document. Spell check. The spell check feature to automatically detect and highlight misspelling words and grammatical error. These features offer automatic spell checking, grammar suggestions, customization, like that. how to the automatic spell checking help to correct the mistakes, because the misspelling words are underlined in red in color. Grammar mistakes, it's a grammatical errors are indicated with a green or blue underline. User can customize the spell check to include certain words or ignore the specific errors. So, the spell check ensures the document is free from spelling and grammatical errors and improving the quality of writing. Third one is tables and graphics. So, the user use tables and graphics. So, it's help to in presenting the complex information in clear manner. Tables are created with rows and columns to systematically display data. To customize table size, border size, shading and alignment. To insert or delete rows and columns as needed. So, in this way, you have to create a table. Next, to create images. To insert images, shape, smart arts, charts and add visual elements. So, to use design tools to adjust the size, position and style of graphics. And also apply text wrapping to seamlessly integrate images with the text. So, the graphics and the tables helps in presenting complex information in a clear, organized and a visual format. So, it's also have some limitations. So, inserting too many graphics or complex tables to slow down the document performance or cause formatting issues. The next one is future page layout. The page layout allows user to control the overall layout and the structure of the document. So, what are the components that include the page layout? Margin, orientation, page size, columns, page breaks. To adjust the spacing between the text and the edge of the page using margins option. To change the page between vertical and horizontal views using orientation option. Next, to select the different paper size. Format text into multiple columns for newspaper or newsletters using columns option. Page break, to insert pages or section breaks to organize the content. So, the page layout provides control over the visual structure and control where new pages begin. Organization of entire documents and enhance the readability. So, it's also have some limitation. Incorrect or inconsistent page layout setting can affect the print or display quality of the document. The next one, important feature, templates. The templates are pre-designed layouts for different types of documents such as resumes, letters, reports and brochures. So, what is pre-designed structure? So, the templates come with preset fonts, headings and styles. So, user can modify text, images and other elements while keeping the general structures. Also, the MS Word provides templates for business, education and personal documents like that. So, it ensures a consistent design and the layout across the similar documents. So what is the use of templates? The templates save time by providing a ready-to-use design and ensure consistency in professional documents. What's the limitation? It also have a limited flexibility in fully customizing the layout, especially with complex or unique design needs. The next one to explain about how to opening MS Word or closing save a MS Word. To start MS Word on a computer window, to follow the steps. First one, to click on the start menu. So the window icon in the left lower corner of the screen, on the search bar, type MS Word or Word. Click on the MS Word app from the search result. So alternatively, MS Word is pinned to your taskbar or desktop. You can double click the icon to launch it. How to start a new document? After launching a MS Word, you will see the start screen, which offer options like create a black document, use a template, open recent document. So what is create a black document? This is the default choice for creating a new document. Use a template. It's also provide a variety of templates. So also explain about what is templates. So the templates are used for creating resumes, report, brochures. You can select the predefined templates that your needs. Open recent document. So it's also one of the method to start a new document, because this section shows a list of documents you have already worked on, allowing you to pick where you left off. Next, how to typing in the text. So how to entering the text. To enter the text in MS Word, simply click anywhere in the document where you want to begin typing. The blinking cursor, also known as insertion point, will appear, indicating where the text will start. You can type letters, numbers, symbols and other characters using your keyboard. So what next, as you continue typing, the MS Word automatically move the text to the next line. When it reaches the edge of the page, there is no need to press the enter at the end of each line, because the process of word wrapping to reach the next line. So it's called as text wrapping. Next one, manual line breaking. If you want to start a new line without starting a new paragraph, just press Ctrl Enter. Next, paragraphs. To start a new paragraph, press Enter key. The MS Word automatically adds space between paragraphs. So you can adjust this in the paragraph settings. Special characters and symbols. So you have also insert special characters, symbols. Going to the insert tab on the ribbon, click on symbols to access a wide range of special characters like mathematical symbols, currencies, like that. Then how to cut, copy and paste the document, how to insert the special elements. So you can easily move or duplicate text within your document using cut and copy function. So how to work the cut function? you select the text and press Ctrl plus X to remove it from the document and save it into the clipboard. Copy option. So how the copy option is what? Select the text and press Ctrl plus C to copy the text to the clipboard without removing it from the document. Next one, paste. Move your cursor to the desired location and press Ctrl plus P to paste the cut or copied text. Next one, inserting special elements. So how to insert the special elements like bullets and the numbers, tables like that. The bullets and the numbering are used to enter list. Go to the Home tab and use bullets and the numbering option to create ordered or unordered list. Also using that insert button, then click tables. You can add a table to organize text into rows and columns by going to the insert tab and select table. Next one, undo and the redo option. If you make a mistake while entering text, you can easily undo it by pressing Ctrl plus Z. To redo an action, press Ctrl plus Y. So what are the different shortcut keys are available in MS Word? These are keyboard shortcuts. So entering text is more efficiently. First Ctrl plus B, bold the selected text. Ctrl plus I, italics the selected text. To underline the selected text using Ctrl plus U, select all the text in the document using the shortcut key Ctrl plus A. So opening the text, opening the document, it's very important to the option save. How to saving a document? It's very important because when you create a new document in MS Word, your work to prevent data loss and to ensure that you can return it to later. So how to save in for the first time? Click on the File tab. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on File tab. Select Save As. Choose Save As from the menu to define file name and location. So to give a file name, it's related to your content of the document. Choose a location. You can save a document in various locations. Maybe your computer or OneDrive or browse. So in this PC, save it on your computer hard drive, OneDrive. If you are signed into the Microsoft account, you can save the document to the cloud. And lastly, you have to choose a custom location. It may be a desktop or a specific folder. Then you have to browse to search the document location. So how to name the document? Type a suitable name for your file in the file name field. So it's very helpful to easily search for the file. Select the file format. So by default, the MS Word save the file as .do documents. Also, you have to save that other different format as .pdf, whatever it is you want. You have to using the drop down menu to save the document. And then once done, click Save button. Next. Saving on existing document. So first you have to save document using Save As option. Next, existing document. If you are already saved the document and want to save your changes, simply press Ctrl plus S and click Save icon in the quick access toolbar. So these upload the file with your latest edits. So some Windows have working with the document saved on OneDrive or SharePoint. MS Word auto save features automatically save your changes in real time. You can toggle say auto save on or off by using the switch at the top of the window. So what is the benefit of auto save feature? Because to reduce the risk of losing your work if your system or the application closes unexpectedly. Okay, then how to opening a document? Opening a document from File Explorer. You can open any saved document directly from your computer by navigating to the folder where it's saved and double clicking the file. To open a document from within the MS Word using these steps. First, click on the File tab. Just click File tab to the upper left corner. Select Open. Click on the Open option in the menu. Choose the location where you are save the document. It may be recent document or this PC or browse the particular location. So the recent, to view the list of recent documents you have worked on, or OneDrive to navigate to where your file is located or in the cloud, maybe locally or in the cloud. Manually browse your document by selecting its folder's location. Once you find the document, click it and press open. So if you open the document, create already created file or a recent file. So the compatibility mode limits some features to ensure that the document remains compatible with the older version of MS Word. So you can convert the document to the latest format by clicking File Info, then click Convert. It's a compatible mode. Okay. Then next, opening a document may be OneDrive. So how to open a document into OneDrive? Simply go to the Open tab, choose OneDrive and select your file to open it. So this allow you to access and edit your files from anywhere with the internet access. And then saving in different format. If saving as PDF, to save your document as PDF format, go to File, then select Save As, choose PDF from the Save As type drop down list and then select Save. So in this way, you have to open, save the document using MS Word. So next, to explain how to editing and formatting a document in MS Word. Editing involves making changes to the text of a document. So these include the actions like adding, deleting or modifying text, rearranging section and correcting errors. So what are the key editing features in MS Word? So already we discussed about what is cut, copy, paste. So these tools allows you to move or duplicate text. First, cut option to remove selected text. Copy it's a duplicates it, and paste insert in a new location. What is the difference between cut and copy? While using the cut option, the text will be removed from its original location and pasted on a new location. Whereas when using copy option, a copy of the selected text is pasted on a new location without disturbing the original text. So there is a difference between cut and copy. Next one is find and replace. So it's editing tool allows you to quickly locate words and phrases and replace them with the new text throughout the document. If you want to find any one text, just click Ctrl plus F to give the name. If you want to find the text, then type the text. Click Ctrl plus F find. So the document, to search throughout the document and find the text whatever you have to be searched. Undo and redo. These commands allow you to revise or reapply the last action. Spell check and grammar checks. So already we discussed about what is spell check and grammar checks. So the MS Word automatically underline the spelling mistakes in red and grammar issues in blue. You can double click to see suggestions for correction. Track changes. So it's also one of the features useful in collaborative works, allowing you to see what changes have been made and why who. Next, formatting tools. Formatting refers to adjusting the appearance of the text to make it readable and professional. So what are the key formatting features in MS Word? Font style and size. You can select from various font and size to match the purpose of your documents. Bold, italic and underline features. So it is a formatting option. These options add emphasis to text, making important points stand out. Alignments. So it is very important to organize the appearance of the text, can be aligned left, right, center or justified to create neatness of the text. Line and paragraph spacing. Adjust the space between lines and paragraphs for improving readability. Bullets and numbers. So these helps organize information into list for better structure. Page layout to control margin, orientation and column to enhance the overall layout of your documents. So both editing and formatting are essential for producing clear, published and professional documents in MS Word. Thank you.